vacations. Everybody's favorites, especially when you're a kid, right? Why? Because exams are over, you can go on a holiday, time to vacation here and there, play for hours together, and then there are mangoes. Everybody's favorite, right? Fun fact, I'm not a mango lover at all. Please don't hate me, don't judge me. I'm somehow not a mango person. But when it comes to mango dessert, it's a different story. We've come to Ambo, which serves mastanis and ice creams, which are according to the season. So अभी तो mango season है, तो mango mastani और mango ice cream लोग जाते ही रहते हैं यहाँ पे. Like lot of people gather here. There's a huge queue in the evening to go get their mastanis. So I'm going to go and find out if it's really that good. Are you rolling? Why? Mangoes.
Thin layer of pure bliss is what our USP.
Mogambo खुश हुआ. Fun fact, I'm not a mango lover at all. Please don't hate me, don't judge me. So let's waste no time and just dig in. My eyes are on this. मला बसून खायचं आता. What else can you ask for? It's like mango चाहिए, ये लो mango. It's like that. Sorry. This is mine. That's the ice cream, whipped cream, and mango. And I might slowly enjoying the fruit, you know. What should I do? Eat or act? No, I have no words. This is Saurabh Malpani, who's the owner of this place. So we're going to talk to him a little bit about this place. Very quaint, cute, little mango special place. So sir, तुम्ही मला थोडंसं सांगू शकता का या जागेबद्दल? तुम्ही कधी चालू केली आणि why Ambo?
नमस्कार, मी सौरभ मालपाणी. आंबोची सुरुवात मागच्या वर्षी झाली आहे दसऱ्याला. गेले 7 वर्ष झाले आम्ही पुण्यात मालपाणी मँगोज नावाचा ब्रँड आम्ही रन करतोय. पण गेल्या वर्षी हा वाडा आम्हाला मिळाला. हा 100 वर्ष जुना वाडा आहे. आणि हा वाडा मिळाल्यानंतर आम्हाला असं वाटलं की हा वाडा कंटिन्यू केला पाहिजे. कुठला बिझनेस करायचा वर्षभर हे ठरलेलं नव्हतं, पण एवढंच ठरलेलं होतं की जे पण प्रॉडक्ट असेल ते आंब्याचा वापर करू. मग फळांपासून करायचा आणि आंब्याचा प्रामुख्याने वापर झाला पाहिजे अशा पद्धतीने आमच्या डोक्यात होतं. आणि हे सगळं करताना नाव आंबो याच्यासाठी दिलं कारण ते थोडं युनिक नाव पण झालं,
बरोबर,
कॅची पण झालं. आणि उन्हाळ्याच्या सीझन मध्ये फार काही लोकांना वेगळं वाटलं नाही की आपण नक्की कुठे जातोय.
पण आंबो असं नाव दिल्यामुळे तुम्हाला काय वाटतं की आता आंब्याचा सीझन संपल्यावर ज्याप्रमाणे आत्ता इथे गर्दी होती त्याचप्रमाणे गर्दी होईल?
निश्चित होईल, कारण की जरी आंबा हा फळांचा राजा असला तरी सुद्धा सीताफळ, स्ट्रॉबेरी, चिक्कू असे अनेक वेगवेगळे फळं आणि ड्राय फ्रुट्स लोकांच्या आवडीचे असतात. लोक येतील, मला असं वाटतं.
अर्थात येतील, का नाही. आणि ओव्हरऑल पुणे इज दॅट प्लेस ॲब्सल्यूट लव्हर्स ऑफ मस्तानी अँड आईस्क्रीम, बीट एनी सीझन, अँड आय एम वन ऑफ देम. पुण्यामध्ये एवढ्या जुन्या आईस्क्रीम आणि मस्तानीच्या जागा असताना त्या सगळ्यामध्ये भरपूर कॉम्पिटिशन असेल. सो तुमचा USP काय आहे या सगळ्यामध्ये?
आमचा USP नॅचरल मस्तानी आणि नॅचरल आईस्क्रीम हा आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये कुठलाही कलर, इसेन्स, प्रिझर्वेटिव्ह किंवा कुठलंही ॲडेड आर्टिफिशियल असं काहीच नाही. त्यामुळे तो त्याच्यामध्ये फ्रूट कंटेंट किंवा ड्रायफ्रूट कंटेंट भरपूर प्रमाणात आहे आणि शुगर जी आहे ती कमी आहे.
परफेक्ट, आय लव्ह दॅट.
आमचे मस्तानीला आम्ही मोगॅम्बो मस्तानी असं म्हणतो. तर मोगॅम्बो मस्तानीच्या 3 लेअर आहे. पहिले शेक, जो पण फ्लेवरचा शेक असेल, शेक, त्याच्यानंतर नॅचरल आईस्क्रीम आणि वरती त्या फ्रूट किंवा ड्रायफ्रूटचं टॉपिंग. अशा 3 लेअर ऑफ प्युअर ब्लिस इज व्हॉट आवर USP.
Perfect. I can't wait to try this Mogambo Mastani. If you are walking in, there is Mogambo Khush Hua that you can hear. So I hope I feel the same way when I'm going. So after the summer's special mango Mastani, what's the next fruit that you are going to kind of?
I think after mango, people love sitafal. So sitafal season will start from July and it will go on till around November end, and after that people love strawberry, and there will be surprise flavors which you will come to know when you visit in those months.
Yes, we will. But wait now. Right now, my eyes are on this. So let me tell you something. I'm not a mango person,
Okay.
but this is quite interesting. Everything inside it is yellow. Looks very appealing. I'm going to have it now. Mango खाऊ का वरचा आधी. Oh yeah, the ice cream is right here. Like what you said, I agree, it's not overtly sweet, and I really love that because you get the natural sweetness of the fruit. And I always think adding like cut pieces of mango to the ice cream or a milkshake is a very good idea, because ice cream or the milkshake will have other components like cream and milk, but this is just the fruit and it cuts through the sweetness of the ice cream and the mastani, which is amazing. It gives you a very balanced flavor. मला बसून खायचं आहे आता. Are you rolling? Why? To show people how happy I am while eating this. I'm actually very happy eating this. It's quite hot outside, so this is amazingly refreshing. It's perfectly chilled. And I don't think I've had a better mastani. I don't even remember the last time I had a mastani. You know, as I'm finishing this, what I realize is, like when I was a kid, my mother would bring a lot of mangoes, and then there would be mango ice cream, mango milkshake every night. Is what this reminds me of. That's something that is made at home, the natural pulp. The basics, add milk to it, a little bit of cream, no added sugar. So this kind of reminds me of that. So there's a lot of nostalgia also that I can feel while I have this, which is making me really happy. But I'm not confirming if I'm a mango lover yet. That's because we have another place to explore. A little worried also, not about the calories, but that I might slowly start enjoying the fruit, So yeah, let me finish this. I have a lot to finish. So Pune's camp area is full of these hidden gems for foodies. Like right from pav bhaji to bakery items to Chinese. And then you have this place which is called Cream Craver, and they serve a variety of things when it comes to mangoes. They have the mango milkshake, they have a mango mastani, and their very, very famous mango cream. So I'm here to eat this entire bowl of fresh mangoes, cream and mango pulp. So let's waste no time and just dig in. Just a lot of mango right here, but let's see how it goes. This is going to be a little messy, but why not? That's the ice cream, whipped cream and mango. Sorry, I'm a little engrossed in eating all the mangoes, but this is every mango lover's fantasy. You have the ice cream, you have the fruit, you have cream. What else can you ask for? I also like how simple it looks. There's no nonsense like of garnishing and adding like dry fruits or tutti frutti and things like that. It's like mango chahiye, ye lo mango. It's like that. Sorry, this is mine. This director who's sitting here, he's showing me how Joey would do it, but he's doing a better job and I'm busy eating. What should I do, eat or act? I'll eat. No, I have no words. Okay, I'm very, very full from eating all of these mango treats. So, well, let's see. Ambu's was definitely very nice. I loved the mastani. I don't remember having a mastani, so For me, it was really refreshing, the right amount of thickness and less sweet, which is what worked for me. And then Cream Craver, classic mango cream. Like I said, no nonsense, no garnishings, nothing. Just a very simple mango cream version that you would probably even have at home. So I think that was lovely. I completely enjoyed all of these mango treats that I had. And about me, not a mango lover. Maybe I was not one, but maybe I like it a little more now. So yeah, I think that was it for today. Let us know in the comments if you've been to these places, any recommendations, would you like to try this, any other places that are known for their mango specialties and we would try them maybe next season, I don't know. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Wait for the next episode. See ya!